Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you guys again. Today in this video we're going to look up for the rest of the options, which is with preferences, which we are going to end our tutorials on preferences with Illustrator. So let me just go to this preferences. So here we are going to click on clipboard handling. So with clipboard handling you can make a copy. So you can make a copy of your design and you can move it to any other program. Not only that, you can make a copy between the Windows clipboard and this Illustrator, but you can make a copy between different apps. Like you can make a copy of artwork from InDesign to Illustrator. So here we have some options that you can change. You can include this SFG code, you can check this PDF, and also under AICB no transparency support we have this preserve paths, and also we have this preserve appearance and overprints. So these options all for the clipboard, which you can make a copy, as I said, from InDesign to Illustrator and from Illustrator to InDesign. So for now I'm not going to change because I don't have any InDesign installed in my PC, so I'm not going to change anything for this clipboard handling. So we have this when pasting. So we have this option, paste text without formatting. I'm going to uncheck this and hit OK. I'm going to get my type tool, and here I'm going to change the color of this IPS. So now I want to make a copy, so Control C, the shortcut. I'm going to get my type tool again here and click and paste. So as you can see here, I have the same format copy of this text. So here under clipboard I'm going to check this option, which is paste text without formatting, and hit OK. So now if I want to paste, as you can see, no format with the text, which we changed this IPS word color. So now I can see here the changes. And we have this appearance of black. So options for black or RGB and grayscale devices. So you can change it for on screen, you can change it for printing and exporting. As you can see, we have this example of this 100K black and also example of this rich black. So if you want to change that, so on a screen, so you can click display all blacks accurately, or you can just select display all blacks as rich black as well. So with printing / exporting, you can click to select this output all blacks accurately, or you can just select this output all blacks as rich black. So we have the example and the difference between this 100K black and also this rich black. When you put your cursor, so as you can see example of this 100 and also rich black, as you can see, you can change it for on a screen, and also you can change that for printing and exporting. And the last option with preferences, we have this enable Wacom. So what is this? So this is going to use for the purpose of using this iPod with Illustrator. If you are going to use this iPod of for drawing or for sketching logo or brands, so make sure you check this option, which is enable Wacom. So this is going to be used for the tablet, which we are going to use it for the purpose of sketching and more stuff. And if you didn't check this option, so the tablet is which you're going to connect to your Illustrator definitely is not going to work. So make sure you check this option before you're going to use that tablet with Illustrator for the purpose of sketching and more things with your Illustrator. So we are at the end of all the options with preferences. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.